Sufficient gear coins paid. Authentication successful. Opening valve.
I hope there's more! Why can't we just pay with Denny's? I'll keep it safe for you. Gear coins, just like in that movie. Too bad it's not real money. You want to... I'll keep it safe for you. Gear coins, just like in that movie. I'll keep it safe for you. Really? Is this for me? I'll keep it safe for you. Why can't we just pay with Denny's? Gear coins, just like in that movie. for you. Gear coins, just like in that movie. So many coins! I hope they'll come in handy. Really? Is this for me? I'm rich! Now I can pay next month's bills.
Sufficient gear coins paid. Authentication successful. Opening valve. Too bad it's not real money. Really? Is this for me? I picked up Nicole's greatest love. Sufficient gear coins paid. Authentication successful. Opening valve.
Huh? Is that for me?
Don't even think about it.
I'm here. There it goes.
Dangerous target detected. Thanatos. This type of ethereal possesses an unpredictable teleportation ability. Please try to keep it within your field of vision. Otherwise, good luck.
Just leave it to me. Fine. Full spin! Electro engine. Okay. Standing by. Roger. I'm here! Copy that. I can Standing by.
Sorry to barge in like this, but it's urgent, extremely urgent, and frankly explosive, so I'm going to keep this short. Hey, can I get a cup of tea?
You want tea? What happened to keeping it short?
Oh, don't I always bring you quality commissions? What's wrong with showing me a little comfort? It's simple. Routine investigations are back on in Hollow Zero.
Huh?
Uh-huh, you heard right. And this time the Association seems to be waging a protracted war, dragging out multiple operations over an extended period of time. As soon as I heard the news, I immediately thought of my favorite client, the legendary Phaethon. I'm guessing you'll want to join in on the investigations, so I've used some resources to leave a back door open for your recruitment. Just finish a test commission inside Hollow Zero, and you'll receive credentials to be contracted Hollow Zero investigators.
That really is explosive. Do you still want that?
Got it. Let us think it over.
Right, you shouldn't make important decisions late at night. Think it over carefully. When you've made up your mind, just go to the Scott Outpost to complete the commission. I'll be going then.
A Hollow Zero investigation. Wise, what do you think?
Question. What is a Hollow Zero investigation?
I forgot Barry doesn't know about this.
Challenge accepted. Searching the Hollow Investigative Association database for Hollow Zero.
There's that weird competitiveness again.
Query complete. Hollow Zero is a codename for the oldest, most impactful, and most hazardous Hollow in all of New Eridu. Research shows all major hollows discovered in New Eridu are derived from Hollow Zero's companion hollows. Hollow Zero is also responsible for much of the destruction of the old capital, Eridu. New Eridu regularly schedules capable agents to conduct research, investigate, track, and suppress Hollow Zero's development. Speculation. Master intends to investigate Hollow Zero in order to save New Eridu.
You're right about all the Hollow Zero stuff, as expected. As
Requesting information. Please tell me your motive for investigating so I may assist your participation.
Sure, but you have to tell me about your agreement and motive first.
Question. Is this what is called provoking someone?
What do you mean by provoking? Wise is being pretty reasonable. He just wants us to be honest with each other.
My apologies. I am not authorized to answer unnecessary questions about my agreement and motive. Answers will be provided in due course.
I'm sorry. We can't tell you our exact motives for investigating Hollow Zero. But you should realize, Fairy, the rewards in there are very valuable indeed. The place where my brother and I grew up is in the old capital. It's been completely destroyed. So we have things we want to investigate in Hollow Zero. That's all you need to know.
Belle, didn't you just tell her?
Sorry. I've said too much. Okay, we've made up our minds. So let's do as Shepard said and go to the Scott outpost in Hollow Zero. Standing by. Need some... I'm sorry. I promise. I'll spare no effort. Hello? Just a quick check-in. How's the signal, Wise? Okay. The HDD system's comms link and diagnostics criteria are all fine. At least we know our equipment is up to the challenge. So we just need to cooperate with an HIA investigator to complete the assessment, and you'll be able to obtain an official HoloZero investigation license. I'm counting on you, Wise.
I'm the HIA investigator in charge of this operation. You may refer to me as the Examinator. Refrain from using weapons beyond the allowed specifications. Do not deviate from the planned routes during operations. I'm sure you're already familiar with all these rules. Still, I'd like to remind you that the difference between HoloZero and other Holos isn't just its size. If you underestimate the threats of HoloZero and don't prepare for its variations, you'll pay a painful price. After all, the Association is not obliged to purchase personal insurance for outsourced personnel. Of course, the Association also provides simulated Rezonia to assist candidates. Make good use of the special traits provided by Rezonia to enhance your squad's combat capabilities. Off you go. I'll judge your performance fairly. Standing by. Copy that. Standing by. I'm here. Copy that. I want to for this. I'm here. Watch out, please. Eliminating target. Roger. Let me give you a little treat! Like this! Now's my chance! Copy that. Move it! Standing by. Fine. Copy that. Let's move backwards. Roger.
Target confirmed. Good.
It's no good, Commander! Please allow me! Give it my best shot!
Get ready. Eliminating target.
Wait. 1 signal indicates some activity. 2, significant activity. 3 is an intense reading. And 4...
What's going on?
No way. That's impossible.
What's that sound?
Wait.
That's...
Watch out! Damn it. It's her.
Chief, remember to keep a safe distance from the target.
There's no way we can catch up with the Chief when she's sprinting like that.
This uniform. Are you from Hand? Oh, not only that, but you're also Special Operations agents.
Hollow Special Operations Section 6. We're carrying out an emergency response mission. An extremely dangerous ethereal has appeared in this area. No matter what your goal is here, you are advised to head to the nearest evacuation point. I need you to support this operation as a mobile tactical unit. This is an official mobilization order from me, the Deputy Chief of Hollow Special Operations Section 6.
An extremely dangerous ethereal? That's what caused the disturbance just now, right? Are ethereals supposed to be that ginormous? Anyway, let's take everyone to the evacuation point.
Due to unforeseen circumstances, our original mission has been terminated. Our new objective is to assist Hollow Special Operations.
The Institute's navigational bamboo. I need it to keep guiding us in the upcoming operation. Any objections?
Navigational bamboo? Does she mean EOS?
Our target has deviated from the expected route, and we need a bamboo carrying carrot data to navigate. This is an emergency requisition.
But please be assured, we will compensate you for any damage caused.
No,
No way. How can we let EOS get hurt?
Please, little bamboo, I'll keep you safe. There's no doubt about this little fellow's navigational capabilities. But the possibility of severe bamboo damage wasn't included in the risk clause we signed before. Well, since this is an official request from HSO agents, I'll leave this bamboo to you for now. It should be fine. I'll figure out a way to explain it to its owner.
it's not fine by any measure. Why didn't she ask us first?
Keep it down, Wise. Don't let them find out EOS is remotely controlled. The HSO agents are the best of the best. Besides, assisting them is our only option at the moment. At any rate, acting as a navigational bamboo or not, our task remains the same. We just need to lead their team in the right direction.
Where is she? She's over there! I saw the chief. She's there.
She managed to repel such a huge ethereal all on her own with nothing but cold steel? Arresting proxies isn't included in HSO's job description, right?
Miyabi, status report. Are you alright?
Not quite.
It was a clean slash. It should have struck the ethereal instantly, like a wooden mallet hitting a porcelain vase. But it felt cumbersome, more like dragging a piece of chalk over a blackboard.
Oh, I get it, Chief! It was like splitting the cutting board in half when you just want to cut a slice of butter.
I'm not sure you got it, Sokaku.
The chief meant that her attack failed to injure Nineveh in a significant way, so we need to track it down once more.
Leave the reconnaissance to me. It's hard to lose track of such a big target.
There are ethereals flocking here, likely drawn in by Miyabi's skirmish with Nineveh. We'll take care of them if you don't mind, Chief.
All right. Section 6. Prepare for battle.
Andy, fall back! Okay. Andy, fall back!
Roger. Copy that. Roger.
Let me give you a little treat! Like this! I'll save my shots. Put your wings!
Copy that. Preparing takedown. Fracture!
I'm here comes the big one!
Okay.
I'm so sorry!
Roger.
Oh!
Electric charge.
Wiping them all out, there's nothing better!
Copy that. Eyes up.
The boss is here! I'm here!
Standing by.
Fine.
Moving up.
Andy!
Copy that.
Just leave it to me! Gotta run! Get it!
Standing by.
Andy! Try to make the cut clean! Neat and tidy!
We'll never back down. Eliminating target.
Okay! I don't need to do that, really!
Despite its abrupt start, the operation went smoothly. Let's return the requisitioned navigational Bangbu to the Institute.
This model is even better than the standard issue HSO Bangbu, both in terms of route planning and adapting to changing circumstances. Maybe it's been equipped with the Institute's secret carrot data? Or its logic core has been modified in some way.
Hey, how would the HSO Bangbu feel if it heard you now?
The Institute's Bangbu. This Bangbu doesn't belong to the Institute. It's the private property of that individual who leads their own investigation squad.
Is that what it is? Right. I think I heard that the HIA started recruiting civilian investigation teams recently.
Oh my. It seems that civilian talent is more reliable than those idiots you find among the authorities.
Next time, I won't show you mercy.
Huh? Is she talking to me?
You always say the weirdest stuff without warning, Chief.
The Chief means that she's looking forward to working with this investigation team leader at duty calls. We need to go back and report our findings. Let's take our leave.